to begun life. So y'all, I want to talk to y'all about something that's very, very important. It is my opinion. I can have my opinion just like everybody else have theirs. But I always talk about discernment and looking at what's going on, different situations, different scenarios, all that type of stuff. So you see the title, Lockdown 2024. I really, really think we're going to get a lockdown, a shutdown, lockdown, whatever you want to call it, by the end of the year. I may be wrong. I hope that I'm wrong. But there's a lot of stuff that's shaping up that it makes it seem like that's what's going to happen. You got so many different scenarios. Y'all probably have heard so many different reasons people think that there will be a shutdown. You got them talking about the bird flu cases. Okay. Then if it ain't the bird flu, you got COVID. That's gaining traction. It's coming back strong apparently. You got to look at even all these recalls that we're getting on our food and stuff, our supply chain, our food chain, all that type of stuff. And it's just like, why is all these things that now a lot of people say because it's an election year that a lot of things going to, come up and all this and, reasons to like postpone it and all that because of not natural disaster, things that's going on like for is, COVID and stuff. It's a lot of different things that people are saying, and I don't know which one will be true, which one will happen. Then you always got the wars that's going on. You got other countries that is saying they're going to do this because they don't like this is being done and that. You got so much that's going on that, and you can't help but to think or to pay attention to. You can't help but to think that, what if? That's something that you can't say, yeah, it will happen, or no, it won't happen. You cannot say that. But it's shaping up every day. And it's not things that's like spaced out. It's like here. It's like something every single day, y'all. So I don't know what the reason will be. I'm just only stating things that I have read up on, and none of us know if it will be. A lot of people got their theories out there. I'm not gonna get into those about who caused what and all this type of stuff. All I'm saying is if you really, really believe that there's gonna be and if it's not a lockdown 2024, probably early next year. Yeah, which still leaves you not too long to be able to prepare and stock up as much as possible, food, water, essential items and stuff, because the thing is, we don't know what the problem may be. Look here, we don't know what the problem may be at all. But it is shaping up that it could be something, and if that turns out that there is not a problem, then okay, I had to pause it. This little boy was trying to help his dad. His dad's on crutches, and he kept looking in the car and looking. He was eyeing that I'm recording, and he came around when he got them crutches out. He turned around and was like, I'm glad I paused it. I don't want nobody kids in my videos that ain't gotta be. And see, in this case, he was trying to be in it, but out of respect and stuff, I try not to get people in my videos. But still though, we don't know. So preparing is best to be safe than sorry. I used to say this a long time ago. Get ready, stay ready so you don't have to get ready. Y'all know, better being safe than sorry. You got to do what you got to do. It's just so much. And you know what? Even if it ain't nothing like the things people are saying, things being caused, cases like the bird flu or the COVID or stuff like that, even if it's not that type of stuff, we still got to look at, we got these storms that's brewing. The climate change is different. These storms and stuff is coming out of nowhere. You got to look at that. And if it's not even with the storms, we still got to go through winter. And it has been extremely hot, so it may be extremely cold. We don't know. We just know that you, at this point, you can't put nothing out of the thing. You can't keep feeling like a little bug or something. You cannot put nothing. You can't say, oh no, that won't happen. You can't throw in everything out. You know, you got to, you just can't, you just don't know. That's what I'm trying to say. You just don't know. You can't rule anything out. That's the words I'm trying to get. You cannot rule anything out. Anything is possible, okay? So, making sure that you get what you need now, because y'all, I feel like something coming. It's my opinion. I feel like something is going to change, and we're going to have to be inside for a while. I don't know what it is exactly, but I feel like that is going to happen. I really, really do. That is why I've been going so hard on getting back on my prepping. I shouldn't have never slacked off, but life is life. And now I'm better. I'm back at it, and I'm better. Never really stopped because I got stuff stocked at the house. I just stopped adding to it. So I got stuff. I just stopped adding to it. I never should have stopped. God give me the strength. I will not stop this go around. But I have a lot of grounds to cover, and we're trying to do it on a budget. And, you know, because people don't have funds like that. Prices and stuff is too high for you to be able to, you know, do everything you need to do at the drop of a dime. So, you know, but something is better. Something is better than nothing, listening to and watching this person drive reckless. But something is better than nothing, and we gotta do it, y'all. We gotta do it. This is something we have to do. So I just wanted to come on here and talk to y'all about that. Comment below and let me know if you think the same way, that there's going to be a lockdown or a shutdown coming. Comment below and let me know. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and get off, and I'll be looking for y'all comments, okay? I'll see y'all in the next one if it's God's will. Y'all make sure y'all stay safe, stay prayed up, and prepped up. Alright, bye.